Brave men fall with the battle cry, and tears fill the eyes of their loved ones and their brothers in arms. So it went for Joseph Warren. And it should have been different, it could have been easy, strength could have saved it, but a country unborn needs bravery, and it spread like wildfire. From the ashes grew sweet liberty, like the seeds of the pines. When the forest burns, they open up to grow and burn again. It should have been different, it could have been easy. Too much money rolled in to ever end slavery. The cry for war spread like wildfire. Civil War went. Brother fought brother. The South was spent, but its true demise was hatred passed down through the years. It should have been different, it could have been easy, but pride has a way of holding too firm to history, and then it burns